Hi everyone, welcome back to Mostly Outdoors. We're in the end of January in 2021 now. We've just celebrated Australia Day recently here in Australia. Hope everyone had a fantastic Christmas and New Year. Everyone's safe, everyone's family's safe in getting through the craziness of the last 12 months. Thanks everyone for watching the videos and subscribing. It's really nice to see that the effort that I put into the videos is rewarded by people watching and liking. So just a small channel, just for a bit of fun, never going to be anything serious, but a bit overdue for a video. So today I'm going to take some inspiration from some other YouTubers that I like, particularly in the area of firewood, that being Joe's Firewood videos and Outdoors with the Morgan. You know, Mark and Melissa and the crew over there do fantastic work. You know, shout out to Buck and Billy Ray Smith as well. These are the guys that sort of inspired me to start making some videos again, and you know, I guess put a focus, if you like, around firewood and being outdoors and enjoying property. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers. Bye. So we're going to start down at the firewood prep area. It's really wet at the moment, so over the last 2 days we've had about a month and a half, maybe 2 months worth of rain, which is uncharacteristic for Jan, but anyway, we'll take the water. We've got some unsplit stuff here. I've measured all these piles up. This is half a cubic metre. Over past the splitter that's just chilling under its cover. You've seen this area in another video where I stacked it. So this pile here, and this little pile here. So this will probably be winter 2023, I would say. I don't think I'll burn this next year. So all up, this pile here and that pile there, that's 2.7 cubic metres. So down here in the top paddock, still got the rest of this big yellow box to process up. We'll get to that one day. And we've got probably half of the wood that I split and stacked from the video on the biggest firewood challenge. It's definitely my biggest firewood challenge because this thing's enormous. So we're getting there though, we're getting there. There's about a third of it left. So that's another just a tick over 1 cubic metres. So we're up at the top near the road now. That's sort of the main area. You've seen these stacks before, so we'll just quickly run through them. So 0.75, 3/4 of a cubic metre here. This is all pre-measured, obviously, I'm not just guessing. 1.2 cubic metres. Apologies, 1 cubic metre. 1.2, 1.2, and oh, trouble at the wood stack. This is another thing that the rain does. So unfortunately I'll have to fix that. Anyway, moving on, so that one's 1.2, and then 1 cubic metre on the end. And same thing here. A lot of wind and a lot of rain. So, easy fix. So you'll all recognise this stack from the How I Stack video. So that's 1.5 cubic metres up here in the horse yard. See young Breezy having a munch over there. And then this stack here, this is 1.4. So this will give you an idea of how much water we've had in the last 2 and a bit days. So this used to be a bridge that we'd access the other side of the property with for motorbikes and the quad bike and everything. But as you can see, it's it's succumbed to the power of the water. So yeah, there's another project. I didn't think it'd last forever, but I thought it'd last a bit longer than that. Anyway, never mind. Well, at least the cabin's still standing. I'll have an update video on that in the next few weeks. And do a little bit more to the inside. So stay tuned for that one. So that's it for the firewood inventory video. I burn about 10 cubic metres a year on average. So what you've just seen there is, well, it measures out to 12.2. I mean, let's call it 12 cubic metres. 12.2 cubic metres is 3 1/3 cord. So the equivalent of what I would burn a year is going to be around 2.5 cords. So not heaps in the great scheme of things, but obviously I don't live in the northern US or in Canada, so the winters here aren't as long and aren't as brutal as what you guys have. So it still gets cold, but we don't burn anywhere near enough. So thanks for coming along with me today and checking out my firewood inventory. I'll have a couple of new updates coming soon, one on the cabin, and we've got a couple of new members of the Mostly Outdoors family in the way of equipment that I'm going to give you a rundown on. So thanks again for watching, thanks for subscribing, take care, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.